you do it, go and walk it out. Walk.
Money, anything, we throwing 1,000 stacks. Oh yeah, we toss it out. You know what I'm talking about. When capital status in the house, you know New York is out.
Hello Visionary Beauties, welcome to the channel. And for those of you who are new to my channel, I want to say a huge welcome to you as well. And if you haven't already, why don't you go ahead and hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notifications so you won't miss another upload from me. And let's get into this gorgeous unit here. Please continue to watch. So today's wig review is another collaboration with Formalhair. Now they have an Amazon store and I have worked with them in the past and I really thoroughly enjoy their units. They're super affordable and I just love the density and the texture and just the overall quality of their hair. They sent me out their Brazilian loose curly wig in 130 density, and this is a full lace wig, natural color, 20 inches. Here is the box. I do love their box. It's a really good hairline, so you can park this wig anywhere on here. I just like my little fixed part. You can rock it however you like, up, down, 2 pointers, whatever. That's what you can do. Whatever you can think of, you can do to this wig. This wig is big head friendly. It does come with combs, 2 combs at the side, 1 comb at the top, and a comb at the back, which is standard adjustable strap. And I do feel like it's very comfortable. I have room. If I had hair that was longer than this, I'll be able to fit this wig. So let me go give you a close-up in my 360. So this is what the hairline is looking like. Now I did a little bit extra plucking, but it really didn't need it. I didn't do any plucking on this side, but like I said, it's super natural. So this is how it would come, and this is, I did a little extra over here because my hairline it comes a little further back on the sides, at the top. So I did a little extra plucking to customize it to myself. But as you can see, it's really good. It's a really good unit. Let me go ahead and show you that texture. Now I did co-wash this unit because I just want to see how it will behave or bounce back. I do love this unit. It's so soft. It still has its luster. I do like the fullness on this wig. Even though it's only 130 density, it feels full to me because it is curly hair as well. But yeah, let me go ahead and give you that 360. So obviously the front. I do like the 130 density, even though I prefer 150, but I feel like this would be a comfortable density for the summertime. It is a lightweight unit without, you know, looking like it's a lightweight unit. I want to say a huge thank you to Formalhair for sending me the wig to review. I love you guys' hair and the quality. Also, the price points are really good. Let me know what you guys think down in the comment section below. I'll be sure to get back to you. If you want to see more of me, you can follow me on my social media platforms. Annette Beauty on Instagram, Visionary Beauties on Facebook, which is my group. I hope you guys will go ahead and follow me on those platforms. And until my next video, please like, subscribe, comment, and share. Please continue to share so I can keep up with more content and things you'd like to see. And as always, stay fabulous, darling. And be your own vision of beauty. Till next time. Bye.